us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Let it be known, nigga, the boss of all bosses, Machiavelli. Menace and methods label me a lethal weapon, making niggas die, witness and breathless imperfections. Then you picture my specific plan to be the man in this wicked land, underhanded hits a plan. Scams are plotted over grams of rock, undercover agent job on a random shot. We all die in the end, so the fans be slow. I was all about my ends, fuck friends and foes. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. Got me a dog and named him my bitch nigga eater. What could they do to me, a little brat? Shit, them niggas that shot me and still terrified I'll get they ass. How can I show you how I feel inside? We outlaws, motherfuckers can't kill my pride. Niggas talk a lot of shit, but that's after I'm gone. Cause they fear me in the physical form. Let them be known I'm trouble.
You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go. The audience not dumb. Take the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further. I promise. Think there's some be rest. That's for bitchin' you. Malibu most wanted. Ain't no law boy. You ball boy. Fresh Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes. Crawl over your foe. The other vaginal option. Pussy. You can better straighten they posture. Got flavors all up in contact. Might write this with a doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident, I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fuck no rain grower, he was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad these Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him either. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus pop. Ay, devil is a lie, here's 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of side. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside.
Ay, Wallin' is the basics and the world is yours. Wanna make it, gotta take it. Mama couldn't save ya, this lifestyle of danger. Had a nigga killing over colors like a racist. All store weekend rockin' mix out in Vegas. Started on Sloss and now the Simmons is my neighbors. But also highlight got me faded. That Michael Phelps feeling like they hating cause I'm blazing. You got up in these streets, well nigga I'm Cajun. And every real nigga can relate to what I'm saying. Every day I make a play to keep my dough aging. Was up the deck of cards and I told you rearrange it. But no, I ain't changing, strictly dough chasing. You see me out of town but I'm not on vacation. To sum it all up, yeah, I'm getting paid. Bitch nigga used to trip off the color of your casement. But now it's like
gutter ways, my mentality is ghetto. A gorilla in this criminal war. We all rebels. Never for design, I bet I bomb on them first. Niggas knew we came for murder. Pulling up in a hearse. West side was the war cry. Busting off frilly, screaming fuck. All y'all niggas in Swahili. Pistol back and fresh out of jail. I ain't going back. Release me to the care of my heartless strap. Say my name 3 times like Candyman. Bet I roll on your ass like an avalanche. So survivor, learn to get high and pull drive-bys. Murder my folks, take control my nine. Hearing thoughts of my enemies bleeding, please. Bust ass motherfuckers tried to flee. Picture me letting this chump survive. Ran up on his ass when I dumped his die.
High-speed chase, 405 is the freeway. Slanging my, banging my, swinging my cool. DeVille, scoop, DeVille. Like that, right back, top of the hill. Wheel in my hand with a trunk full of contraband. Swimming underwater like I'm Aquaman. I used to drink gin, now it's vodka, man. Boss dog is a baller, no propaganda. Pop your band, don't try and stop the plan. I rock your land, step back and pop your man. Spaced out, caked out, no bugaboo, flipped out, cripped out. Nigga, what it really do? Time brings change, so I changed my name. Trying to take flight while they clipping my wings. Groupie ass niggas see you tripping the game with nothing to gain. Plop, plop, popping a bang.
Murder, murder, my mind state. Shit ain't changed since my last rhyme. The crime rate ain't declined. Niggas busting shots like they lost their mind. Like 25 to life, never crossed their mind. Tell me young nigga never learned a thing. Paid 13 cause he earned the bang. Took a lot of power, but after I crack, tried to warn a little nigga either stop or die. Mercy is for the weak, when I speak I scream. Afraid to sleep, I'm having crazy dreams. Vivid pictures of my enemies, family time. God forgive me cause it's wrong, but I plan to die. He should take me in heaven and understand I was a G. Did the best I could, raised in insanity. A send me to hell, cause I ain't begging for my life. Ain't nothing worse than this cursed ass hopeless life.
7 days later, I'm back on the streets. Got a batch of bomb beats. I'm trying to eat feet to the pavement. Money, I'm craving it. What about the bitches, dawg? Are you saving them? Can a blind man see? Can a shark survive out of water for a week? A snitch is a snitch if he solemnly speak. I don't know man nutter. I'm a product of the...
The passenger side is done. Now we're going to go ahead and jump over to the driver's side and repeat the process.